Let's unbox and set up a smart table. Inside the box, there's a tabletop, legs, spare parts, some screws, and tools. Lay everything out to check if all parts are there. Now, attach all parts using the screws and tool. Tighten the screws evenly so the table is strong. Then, gently turn the table upright. That's it, the table is ready. Use it for work. Adjust the height for your comfort and make it truly yours. Every task feels perfect. It's quick, simple, and stylish.